I'll introduce both the star performers today. So first I'll introduce Sunita Nair. As I said, she is a close friend of Neeta ma'am. In fact, Neeta ma'am introduced Sunita to this group. She joined us in January, I remember. I remember her first song also, Kabhi Kabhi. Sir, Shailendra ji, dekha aapne, guna suna aapne? That Kabhi Kabhi and then Lambi Judai, oh God, the kind of performances she has given in the last 7-8 months. Although she has not been that regular, but jab bhi aayi hai, the kind of performance she has given, it's amazing. I think she is amongst all of us the best singer on this fusion platform. And she is from the financial sector. She has worked in the corporate for more than 2 decades and presently on a sabbatical. And as I said, she is a good dancer, a singer. Now she is doing painting also. She is a painter also. She is learning painting. And she presently is based in Mumbai. So welcome Sunita. Welcome for this concert. And today we are all excited except for Neeta ma'am and you. I did not send that video to, I sent it to everyone. So they have all seen what kind of songs you are going to sing. Because I thought if I'll give it to Neeta ma'am, she will tell you also. Neeta ma'am?
Oh, I haven't got that. Yeah.
So I did not want to tell it to Sunita because she would have felt pressurized. So that's why I didn't send it to you also. Because others know what kind of songs we are going to hear today. I mean, we are very excited. We are very excited for all those songs. So thank you. And second performer today is our young 20 years old Krishna. And she is an amazing poet. I think she joined somewhere, I remember maybe in April. Somewhere in April, I suppose she joined us. And she made a huge entry. जो पहली poem इन्होंने सुनाई ना, that was Ajji. About her Ajji. I think in the video also I have put that poetry. She is an amazing poet. और जो लिखती हैं उसके बाद feminism पे poetry लिखी, womanhood पे poetry लिखी उसने, patriotic poetry she has written, and she narrates it in such an innocent manner. बड़े simple words होते हैं, and she narrates it in a very innocent fashion. मतलब कुछ भी नहीं जैसे. And everybody is in tears when she narrates those kind of emotional poetries. जो पहली बार सुना है, everybody was in tears. अज्जी जो सुनाया इन्होंने. So welcome Krishna. Okay, let me tell you, she is doing her law as I told you, second year law from NLU Bhubaneswar, and she is from Bhagalpur, Bihar. Presently she is in Bhagalpur, I suppose. Okay, so welcome Krishna. All the very best.
All the best, Krishna and Sunil.
So I think we'll start with Krishna. So I think what we have decided is we'll have 2 poetries from Krishna and then 2 songs from Sunita. So what we'll do is we'll appreciate each performance, but the comments we'll keep it after both the performances are over. So Krishna, you can go ahead with 2 poetries back to back. So all the very best.
Sir, am I audible?
Yeah, perfectly audible.
So my first poetry is for the love of writing and what does writing do to a writer. So it's in Hindi and it's titled Aksar. दिमाग की कश्मकश कागज पर उतार ये दिल अक्सर आराम फरमाया करता था. जिंदगी के मेले में जो मची थी हलचल वो कागज को सुना ये दिल अक्सर खामोश हो जाया करता था. क्या था नहीं था क्या पता मगर गजब का रिश्ता था इन उंगलियों का उस कागज से जिसे कलम नाम की एक डोर ने सजाया था. कुछ बेहतरीन कुछ मायूस गुजरे दिनों के किस्से सुना उस कागज को. ये दिल अक्सर सुकून की नींद सो जाया करता था. फितरत और जज्बात दोनों ही कागज को बता ये दिल अक्सर उस कोरे कागज सा ही पाक हो जाया करता था. जिससे दिल लगी थी और जिसमें दिलचस्पी थी उसे भी दिल की बातें कहाँ समझा पाया करता था. ये दिल अक्सर कागज के सिरहाने बैठ अपने सारे राज एक एक कर बयां कर जाया करता था. क्या था नहीं था क्या पता मगर गजब का रिश्ता था इन उंगलियों का उस कागज से जिसे कलम नाम की एक डोर ने सजाया था. So that's it.
Wow.
My second poetry is dedicated to my father. I'll just take a second. So it's also in Hindi and it's titled वो आखिरी दफा. वक्त की रेत पर शायद एक गुफ्तगू पुरानी हो चली. वक्त की रेत पर शायद एक गुफ्तगू पुरानी हो चली, मगर जहन में आज भी बरकरार है उसकी ताजगी. वो रात जब नींद मेरे पलकों को घेरे खड़ी थी, वो नर्म हथेलियां जो मेरे माथे को बड़े महफूजियत से सहला रहे थे, वो आखिरी दफा जब आपने मुझे ऐसे चूमा था जैसे मानो दुनिया की सबसे बेशकीमती खुशी आपको मिल गई हो. वक्त की रेत पर शायद एक गुफ्तगू पुरानी हो चली, मगर जहन में आज भी बरकरार है उसकी ताजगी. वो आखिरी दफा जब आपने मुझे ऐसे चूमा था जैसे मानो दुनिया की सबसे बेशकीमती खुशी आपको मिल गई हो, और मैंने हर दफा की तरह इस दफा भी आपके चूमने पर आपको छेड़ते हुए कहा था, पापा बहुत चुभती है आपकी ये दाढ़ी. वक्त की रेत पर शायद एक गुफ्तगू पुरानी हो चली, मगर जहन में आज भी बरकरार है उसकी ताजगी. वो आखिरी दफा जब मैंने हर दफा की तरह इस दफा भी आपके चूमने पर आपको छेड़ते हुए कहा था, पापा बहुत चुभती है आपकी ये दाढ़ी, और माँ बगल में बैठे हंस रही थी और आपको आपकी दाढ़ी बनवा लेने की सलाह दे रही थी. माँ की बातों को सुनकर भी अनसुना कर आपने मुझे कस कर जकड़ लिया और कहा, बेटा चलो सो जाते हैं. वक्त की रेत पर शायद एक गुफ्तगू पुरानी हो चली, मगर जहन में आज भी बरकरार है उसकी ताजगी. वो जब आप हम दो बहनों के लिए अपनी पीठ को ही घोड़ा गाड़ी बना दिया करते थे, वो जब आप हम दो बहनों के लिए अपनी पीठ को ही घोड़ा गाड़ी बना दिया करते थे, जैसे मानो हम दो आपके राज्य की राजकुमारियां हो. वो जब आप मुझे नंदन और नन्ही को अपनी फेवरेट कलरिंग की किताब लाकर दिया करते थे, वो आखिरी दफा जब आपने हम दोनों के लड़ लेने पर मुझे डांटा था और मुझसे ये कहा था, बेटा नन्ही छोटी है, तुम्हें उसे संभालना है. वक्त की रेत पर शायद वो सारी गुफ्तगू पुरानी हो चली, मगर जहन में आज भी बरकरार है उसकी ताजगी. पापा जब आज दुनिया मुझसे सवाल करती है, मेरी काबिलियत पर शक करती है, मुझे तोड़ने की हर नाकाम कोशिश करती है, मैं टूटती तो नहीं हूँ, मगर तब अंदर कुछ टूट जरूर जाता है, और तब दिल चाहता है कि उस आखिरी दफा की तरह इस दफा भी आप मुझे कस के जकड़ लो और कहो, चलो बेटा अपनी दुनिया सजाते हैं.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Thank you, sir.
You are very courageous, Krishna, because this is, I mean, we were listening and we were getting emotional. And let me tell all of you, Krishna lost her father when she was 10. Oh. And it's really, I mean, that's why I'm saying it's very courageous of her to write this kind of a poem dedicating to her father, and the way she narrated it. So amazing. That's really amazing.
Thank you, sir.
Neeta ma'am?
So sorry to hear that, Krishna. I mean, I was, when I was listening to like Mr. Rajesh said, everything seemed so touching, and emotional. And somewhere I got the feeling that, there was a very strong missing which is going on. And I think that was explained, I think, what Mr. Rajesh said. I'm really, really sorry to hear that. And but so beautiful. I mean, I think there's nothing more I can say on that. So beautiful and emotional, the words are really sweet.
Thank you, ma'am.
I think let's hear from Krishna.
Yes, sir. So basically, Krishna writes a lot, and I used to hear when she writes, and the way she used to describe her feeling is like really great. Like the way she narrated her first poem, the she told that to pain ki ek dor ne sajaya tha, and the way like she described her feeling for the writing. So it was really great to hear that if you feel something and if you are into writing, and the way she can define that, sir. So it was like it was really I'm really glad to be her friend. And I can't say much about that. And also, sir, like last a week or 2 weeks ago, I visit to Krishna's place. So actually it was a surprise visit to Krishna's place, and I went to her home and I just lived there for 2 days with her mother and with her little sister. And so what I observed is that Krishna is the connecting bridge of her family. Like she's like the one who used to encourage her whole family. Like her mother was being like since like a long ago, sir. Matlab, she was like little, being introvert, and kind of she doesn't want to get so much socialized. But Krishna has like changed the whole view of her family, and now her mother is also being confident on Krishna a lot. And so the things I can see is nothing can be a worse situation if you are ready to fight with all these situations. So, and like she's being a very positive example for me since ever, and I'll just try to emulate such a few things from her. Yes, sir.
Usha ma'am.
First, let me share my views about her first poem, For the Love of Writing, or Aksar in Hindi, you have titled as. That is true for a writer. The feelings, writing is a sort of catharsis, we used to say. So the feelings which have been bottled up in mind, when they are coming out in a spontaneity, that is the exact way or exact occasion where a good poem or a good article takes its origin. So that you have so beautifully explained here, like as the pen as the medium. And you said, "Jisme dil likhi thi or jispe dilchaspi thi." Yeah, Hamesha, we used to write about that only. The writer, the person who wants to write, that jispe dil likhi thi. That is the ripples which have been, which have emotions which are creating ripples in mind. They are coming out as a poem that has been so beautifully narrated or depicted in your poem. And the way you were narrating it was also so touching. And the second one about the sweet memories of your father. Even I lost my father when I was in, I was of the same age of yours. When I was in 3rd standard, I lost my father. So I can connect so easily with the each word and each lines in your poem. So beautifully written, Krishna.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sunita.
Hi, Krishna. About your first poem, I think I connected with it a lot because the love of writing is something that cannot be explained. And when one just sits down, most of the time people who love to write, they're always writing in their head. And the day you sit down and then bring everything down onto the paper, there's this beautiful sense of satisfaction that you get, and the topic that you've chosen to write something on that love of writing, I found that very unique, and you've written that so beautiful. Like I could relate to each and every line in that poem. And secondly, on your about your second poem, very beautifully written. I think your father lives through your poetry, and that's what you're creating. So lovely, beautiful.
Thank you, ma'am.
Meghna.
Amazing, Krishna. I'm sorry I missed your first half of the first poetry.
Actually, it was my first poetry was a repetition. I had narrated it before also.
No issues.
Right. But then the second half also, I really could definitely connect, like how Sunita ma'am and Isha ma'am were saying about the love for writing. Since I write also, and I know how it is to put that down in words and articulate it. A lot of times that struggle is there to articulate what's going within you. And, you know, like the second half, I could really sense that, how you connected with it so deeply. Second poetry, I really don't have much words because I don't think they can. I mean, they can't. They're nowhere to what you penned down and you said. Only thing is the last line that you said really hit me very hard. I got goosebumps when you said that. That, you know, जैसे दुनिया में कई problems आते हैं and the moment you feel it, you feel कि, you know, कस के पकड़ लो मुझे, and you know that's going to go away. So that really hit me hard. It was a moment where I went into a flashback of a lot of things. So thank you for making me feel that.
Shailendra ji?
कृष्णा की दोनों कविताएं बहुत बहुत अच्छी थी। एक कृष्णा की कविताएं सुनने के बाद एक दो बातें मैं कहना चाहूँगा, थोड़ा सा टाइम दूंगा राजेश जी। जो राजेश जी ने कहा कि कृष्णा बहुत छोटी हैं, 20 साल की हैं और इतनी अच्छी अच्छी पोइम्स, इतने विचार उनके दूर तक जा पाते हैं, उसको देख के सुन के वो पुराने ज़माने की कहानियाँ सच लगती हैं, जो भले ही हमारी माइथोलॉजी में हम उन्हें कहानियाँ कहते हैं। ध्रुव और नचिकेता जो 5-5, 6-6 साल के थे, ईयर्स के थे, और उनको इतना ज़्यादा ज्ञान था, तो ये इन लोगों को भी बहुत ज़्यादा ज्ञान है। और एक जब हम लोग पढ़ते थे तो पोइट के बारे में ये कहा जाता था, पोइट का इमेजिनेशन कितना दूर तक जाता है कि जहाँ ना पहुँचे रवि वहाँ पहुँचे कवि, जहाँ सनलाइट भी नहीं पहुँच पाती वहाँ तक पोइट का थॉट पहुँचता है। लेकिन आज का जो पोइट है, मुझे लगता है जो कृष्णा जैसे बच्चे हैं या और भी लोग जो एल्डर्स भी लिख रहे हैं, वो सिर्फ कल्पनाओं के आधार पर नहीं लिख रहे, अपने इमोशंस को, अपने भाव और विचारों को, थॉट्स को पेन पेपर पर उतारना शायद ज्यादा हिम्मत वाला काम है, शायद ज्यादा तकलीफ देह वाला काम है, क्योंकि दूसरे की इमेजिनेशन को तो हम लिख सकते हैं और बातें कर सकते हैं, लेकिन अपने इमोशंस को जब आप उतारने जा रहे हैं पेपर पे, तो यू नो कि इट विल बी पब्लिक, ये दूसरे लोग भी पढ़ेंगे उन चीज़ों को, और वो उतना कनेक्ट कर पाएंगे कि नहीं कर पाएंगे, ये बहुत मायने रखता है। पहली पोएम जो थी कृष्णा की, वो हर राइटर को, हर पोइट को एक मैसेज थी, पन्ने पर और पेपर से कैसे, पेन से कैसे कनेक्ट करता है और हिम्मत करता है वो। और दूसरी जो पोएम थी वो तो बस हर पिता और पुत्री और यह हर पिता और पुत्र के बीच का जो रिलेशन है, उसको बहुत गहरे तक छू गई, दिल में, दिल क्या वही रूह तक उतर गई। और चाहे बचपन में खोया, चाहे बड़े होकर खोया पिता को, लेकिन पिता की आज भी सबको याद दिला गया होगा जितने लोग भी यहाँ बैठे हैं। थैंक यू वेरी मच कृष्णा, एंड गॉड ब्लेस यू, गॉड ब्लेस यू।
कृष्णा
Means a lot, sir.
So next we have Sunita. So she is going to come up with 2 beautiful songs. So all the very best, Sunita.
है मन कहीं कहाँ जानते नहीं, बहता है मन कहीं कहाँ जानते नहीं, कोई रोक नहीं। भागे रे मन कहीं आगे, रे मन चला जाने किधर जानू ना। भागे रे मन कहीं आगे, रे मन चला जाने किधर जानू ना। बहता है मन कहीं कहाँ जानते नहीं, कोई रोक नहीं। भागे रे मन कहीं आगे, रे मन चला जाने किधर जानू ना। भागे रे मन कहीं आगे, रे मन कहीं जाने किधर जानू ना। चली ठंडी हवा, संग मन मिल गया, ढूंढूं मैं कहाँ उसको, बतलाए कोई मुझको कि हाँ हाँ रे। भागे रे मन कहीं आगे, रे मन चला जाने किधर जानू ना। भागे रे मन कहाँ आगे, रे मन चला जाने किधर जानू ना। बहता है मन कहीं कहाँ जानते नहीं, कोई रोक नहीं। ऐसी समा फिर होगा कहाँ, जी लो मैं इसे खुल के, सावन भी जरा खुल के। अरे सुन 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 सुन, भागे रे मन कहीं आगे, रे मन चला जाने किधर जानू ना। भागे रे मन कहाँ आगे, रे मन चला जाने किधर जानू ना। बहता है मन कहीं कहाँ जानते नहीं, कोई रोक नहीं। भागे रे मन कहीं आगे, रे मन चला जाने किधर जानू ना। भागे रे मन कहीं आगे, रे मन चला जाने किधर जानू ना।
Fabulous.
Okay, my next song is Dard Karara. I think everybody should be familiar with that song. So it's a little peppy song, and I kind of like this song because it's very breezy. So that's what. I'll just adjust the pitch. तो मेरी है प्रेम की भाषा, लिखता हूँ तुझे रोज जरा सा। तो मेरी है प्रेम की भाषा, लिखता हूँ तुझे रोज जरा सा। कोरे कोरे कागज जिन पे बेकसर, कोरे कोरे कागज जिन पे बेकसर, लिखता हूँ ये खुलासा। तुमसे मिले दिल में उठा दर्द करारा, जीने लगा मोहे जिसे इश्क ने मारा। तुमसे मिले दिल में उठा दर्द करारा, जीने लगा मोहे जिसे इश्क ने मारा। तो मेरी है प्रेम की भाषा, लिखती हूँ तुझे रोज जरा सा। तो मेरी है प्रेम की भाषा, लिखती हूँ तुझे रोज जरा सा। कोरे कोरे कागज जिन पे बेकसर, कोरे कोरे कागज जिन पे बेकसर, लिखता हूँ ये खुलासा। तुमसे मिले दिल में उठा दर्द करारा, जीने लगा वो ही जिसे इश्क ने मारा। तुमसे मिले दिल में उठा दर्द करारा, जीने लगा वो ही जिसे इश्क ने मारा। अभी अभी धूप थी यहाँ पे लो, अब बरसातों की धारा। जेब है खाली प्यार के सिक्कों से, आओ कर ले गुजारा। कभी कभी आईने से पूछा है किसने रूप संवारा। कभी लहू मोहिनी, कभी लहू चांदनी, कभी चमकीला सितारा। कितना संभल ले बचकर चल ले, दिल तो ढीठ आवारा। तुमसे मिले दिल में उठा दर्द करारा, जीने लगा वो ही जिसे इश्क ने मारा। तुमसे मिले दिल में उठा दर्द करारा, जीने लगा वो ही जिसे इश्क ने मारा।
Once more.
Too good.
Yeah.
Meghna was dancing.
I really wanted
Everybody.
to ask you all to, I wanted to request you all to, kind of dance wherever you are. It's a very danceable song.
Yeah, definitely. Actually, let me tell you, Sunita, she is not well from last couple of weeks. She is having cold, and that's why, in fact, she was thinking maybe skip or next week, but then she decided to have this today itself. But still, both the songs are amazing. And let me tell you, since she is from Kerala, her language is also not Hindi, but the kind of pronunciation that she has in Hindi, the command which she has in singing Hindi songs, that is admirable. Thoroughly enjoyed both the songs.
Grew up listening to a lot of Hindi songs.
Yeah, listening is one thing, but if you ask me to sing a Malayalam song, or even I have not sung much Punjabi also, but the way you sang both the songs, that was really good. So, Neeta ma'am?
Yeah, I just love her voice. I mean, I keep telling her, I'm like in love with her voice. And Suni, it doesn't show that you have a sore throat or a cold. I mean, it's so beautifully you sang. The second song, I've not heard it actually. I was hearing it for the first time, and quite difficult. The range, if you look at it, it's quite difficult. The second line, it just goes up and all that. But I always feel you have such a melodious voice, and you can sing any kind of numbers and make it look so effortless and breezy. I mean, I'm so in love with your voice. I mean, really, really. Right from the first time I heard her sing, I was completely taken in with her voice. And like Mr. Rajesh said, there is even the pronunciation is so clear. Very well. The diction and pronunciation is really good. So great, as always, Sunny.
Let me tell you, Neeta ma'am, the second song is from the movie Dam Laga Ke Haisha, and it's a duet song. Ayushmann Khurrana and that girl Bhumi Petika.
Yeah. Okay.
Bhumi, yes.
I've never heard this song.
In fact,
it's a beautiful movie. And I like the song for some whatever reasons. I like the picturization, and Bhumi and Ayushmann are one of my favorite actors. So, and there's some spunk in the song, so it's nice to see.
Yeah. There's another very beautiful number also from that movie. That I think Shreya Ghoshal has sung that.
Movie. It's
yeah. I haven't seen it. Like, I haven't seen the film. I loved it. Love listening to your voice.
Shailendra ji?
बहुत मेलोडियस सुरीली आवाज सुनीता जी की, बहुत अच्छा लगा, और दोनों ही गाने बहुत शानदार थे। सेकंड वाला तो वाकई में मेघना जी की क्या कहें, कृष्णा जी की क्या कहें, सभी झूम रहे थे उस गाने पर। तो बहुत अच्छा, बहुत अच्छे से गाया और निभाया, जिसे कहते हैं ना संगीत में, निभाया भी बहुत अच्छा। और लैंग्वेज की जो वहां तक बात है, वाकई में डिक्शन और प्रोनाउंसिएशन दोनों बहुत अच्छे थे। कहीं लग नहीं रहा था कहीं से भी कि कोई हिंदी ना जानने वाला ये गाना गा रहा है। मतलब हिंदी ना जानने से मेरा मतलब जो हिंदी भाषी नहीं है, हिंदी जानते तो हैं ही, सुनीता जी देखते हैं इतने सारे फिल्म। और दोनों गाने बहुत अच्छे लगे मेरे को, तहे दिल से शुक्रिया आपका। लेकिन उससे पहले मैं राजेश जी को थैंक यू बोलना चाहूंगा कि इतने शानदार प्लेटफॉर्म से मुझे जोड़ा है उन्होंने, जहां हर थाली में रखा हुआ हर व्यंजन हीरा है, हर कोई अपने आप में जबरदस्त डायमंड है। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
मेघना?
So amazing, Sunita, so amazing. I mean, I was of course dancing. मतलब मैं तो डांस में झूम रही थी, but I think your voice was made for these songs. Like, it's just like they're your songs. It didn't feel like it's made for anyone else.
Thank you.
I found one very striking thing. Both songs are very playful in their own way, and you differentiated that playfulness so beautifully in your voice. Like,
Thank you.
I don't know how to say it. The mood, the tone, the way you sang it, like, differentiated both very strikingly. It was beautiful. And yes, in the recording we should see Usha ma'am also. She was dancing very nazakat se.
I miss that. I miss that. I
Usha
actually
ma'am?
wanted to see how many of you
We
are
all
dancing.
can we all can witness right now.
Usha ma'am?
Uh, yes, of course. For the second song, I couldn't help dancing. That style and the tune, and the way you were singing, and the expressions on your face also was, making us to make our own movements according to your song. And as usual, how Neeta ma'am says, even I am in love with your voice. You know very well. So splendid way of singing, soulful way of singing. No adjectives to describe about your song. It is
Thank
so
you, Shazia.
magical, enchanting. Anything, any words I can use.
Thank you.
Words are not enough. Both the
Krishna?
songs were good.
Krishna Lohia. I'll have to differentiate.
Sunita ma'am, it was like the second song literally caught us all dancing, and I was a bit apprehensive when Rajesh sir told me about the choice of your songs, because it was not going with my poetry. I thought, how will it go? But now I think it's a perfect match, because while my poetry turned everyone into a like bit sincere mood, but that went with your song, and everyone was back to cheerful mood, and so it was
Yeah, in
great.
fact, after listening to your poetry, the second one, I felt so choked. I was wondering, how am I going to sing? And kind of quickly drank water. Thank you, Krishna. Thank you so much.
Thank
So-
you, ma'am.
Krishna? Author?
So ma'am, the best thing about you is that you sing the song so joyfully that it accelerated our part of entertainment. And while seeing you, I was also willing to dance so much, but due to the restricted frame, I can't dance like
You
Upelli.
should have done that. It would have been nice.
But yeah, it was really great. And
Yeah, exactly like that.
Yes,
Meghna.
yes. So we should learn from Meghna, each one of us.
Yeah, so probably the next time when I'm singing a peppy song, I'll tell you all, please stand up and dance. And
Yeah, we know.
So
Next, your
we
last
should
song is going to
have a
be.
bit of dance also, no?
Yes,
This
yes, yes.
platform.
We will all dance in your last song.
Okay.
Yeah,
Fine.
yeah. Today is the occasion, na? Today is the occasion. So thank you very much, Sunita.
Thank you,
Outstanding.
thank you,
Both the
everyone.
performances were outstanding.
I think Krishna Poddar is very much music lover. Backgrounds, there are some music
Yes,
notes na
Mhm.
in your
yes, sir,
background.
yes, sir.
Good.
Okay. So now Krishna again. Krishna, welcome for your both the poetries. अच्छा, welcome Rakesh ji.
We have to
Welcome.
Yeah.
आज देर कर दी आपने, कोई बात नहीं, नो इश्यूज. कॉल लंबा चला गया. Yeah, I know that. So welcome.
नमस्कार सबको, नमस्कार.
एक राउंड हो चुका है हमारा दोनों परफॉर्मर्स का. एक राउंड हो चुका है. बोथ दे हैव संग 2 performances, both of them. So next we are going to have 2 performances from Krishna, 2 poetries from Krishna. So all the best, Krishna.
Thank you, sir. So my next poetry is on feminism, and it's in English. It's titled "To the Silence, to the Sita." And it carries some strong words. So yes, it goes like that. You see, Agni Pariksha has been a thing. To prove her chastity to the same word that did not need to think twice before daring to disrobe her for a lost game of dice. You see, silence and seclusion had been bestowed upon her like golds and jewels to shut her say and to shrink her size to what fits the shy corners of the perfect patriarchal paradise. But this time, she won't be awaiting Govind to add extra yards to her sari in a court full of warriors and sage to save her from the demon and his masculine rage. Instead, she will pull the sword out from her sheath, wage a war, and hold Dussashan by her knees, and break him into two to wash her hairs from his blood then and there. This time, the earth won't tear into two to unburden her from all the nonsensical she had been living through. Instead, she will rip the demons apart, feed on the flesh, make a neckpiece out of their skull, and wear it as a reminder of strength and endeavor for every human who feels helpless ever. When compelled, she can be fiercest of demon living inside the kindest of human. She has been Sita, she can be Kali. The choice still lies with the world.
बहुत अच्छा. So good, Krishna.
And my last poetry is based on romantic theme, and it's in Hindi and it's titled "मेरा प्यार कुछ ऐसा होगा." So it's मैं नहीं रखूंगा बंद तुझे अपनी किताबों में, मैं लिख दूंगा तुझे आसमां में अपने जज्बातों से. मेरा प्यार कुछ ऐसा होगा कि समंदर की गहराई से गहरा होगा. जिस्म का तो नहीं पता हुजूर, लेकिन हर रात मैं तेरी रूह से लिपटूंगा. तू मेरे तकिए तले अपने सारे ख्वाब रख देना, वादा है मेरा जान से महफूज मैं उन्हें रखूंगा. तेरे शोहरत को मैं अपने सहरे में पहनूंगा, तू देखना तेरे दहलीज पर मैं अपना भी दिल रखूंगा. मैं नहीं रखूंगा तेरी उस छुअन की याद अपने दिल में बसा के, क्योंकि तेरे रूह का रास्ता तो हर रोज मैं अपनी नजरों से तय करूंगा. जानता हूं तू उस बंजारे की तरह है जिसका साहिल पर ठहरने का कोई इरादा नहीं होता, इसीलिए हर शाम मैं उसी साहिल किनारे तेरे लौटने का इंतजार करूंगा. ठीक उसी तरह जैसे ढलते सूरज के नजारे को देखने पूरी कायनात इंतजार में रहती है. मैं नहीं रखूंगा तुझे अपने पर्दे में दुनिया से छुपा के, क्योंकि हर दफा अदा हो रही नमाज में मैं तेरी ही सलामती की दुआ मांगूंगा. रब ने चाहा तो वो बस तेरी ही इबादत होगी जो मेरे घर में गूंजेगी. तेरी खामोशी से मेरी खामोशी तक का सफर यूं ही मैं इशारों में पढ़ लूंगा. होश गवा कर भी मैं बस तेरे ही कांधे पर संभूंगा. तू वो दरगाह है जिससे मैं अपने जिंदगी के सबसे अहम धागे बांधूंगा. और खोने और पाने के डर से ऊपर उठकर जब भी ये खामोश पन्ने फड़फड़ाएंगे, जब भी ये कलम रफ्तार थामेगी, तब मैं सिर्फ तुझे ही लिखूंगा.
वाह, क्या बात है कृष्ण.
वंडरफुल वंडरफुल.
शैलेंद्र जी, आप ही से शुरुआत करते हैं.
फेमिनिज्म वाली पहली कविता कृष्णा या कृष्णा की जनरेशन खुलकर इस टॉपिक पर बात करती है. और मैं आई एम फॉर्चुनेट एनफ कि मेरी दोनों बच्चियां भी मेरे को ऐसी ऐसी बुक्स लाके दी उन्होंने पढ़ने के लिए कि मेरा जो थोड़ा सा दबा हुआ सा कहीं थॉट्स होता था मन में, हमारी पीढ़ी के साथ था शायद, मैं ये सोचता हूँ, मेल या फीमेल कोई भी हो, फेमिनिज्म के बारे में सोचते तो थे लेकिन दबा हुआ सा. लेकिन अब जो खुलकर आता है सामने, जो सीता की पर इसने पोइम सुनाई कृष्णा ने, वो द्रौपदी वाली वो बुक मैंने पढ़ी है अभी हाल में ही, पैलेस क्या है वो, नाम भूल रहा हूँ उसका, जो पैलेस के ऊपर उसका नाम है कुछ, तो बहुत अच्छी बुक है. और द्रौपदी के एंगल से मतलब महाभारत की स्टोरी उसमें चलती है. और सीता की अग्नि परीक्षा के बारे में और आज के पर्सपेक्टिव से जो कृष्णा ने लास्ट में क्वेश्चन भी पूछा है कि सीता चाहिए काली, बहुत अच्छा लगा पोइम। और दूसरी जो पोइम थी वो तो बस प्यार की सारी ऊंचाइयों को छूती है, इसमें कोई शक नहीं है। इतनी कम एज में भी कृष्णा ये सब सोच पाती हैं और इतना अच्छे से लिख पाती हैं, इसके लिए बहुत बहुत उनको नमस्कार है, बहुत बहुत थैंक यू, बहुत बहुत थैंक यू, धन्यवाद।
राकेश जी।
मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि ऑफ लेट फेमिनिज्म पे काफी ज्यादा पोएम्स आ रही हैं हमारे प्लेटफॉर्म में, तो ये शो करता है कि कहीं ना कहीं ये बात बहुत ज्यादा फील हो रही है, महसूस हो रही है सभी को। और इट्स आयरनी कि इंडिया में एक तरफ तो हम लोग लेडीज को गॉडेस की तरह पूछते भी हैं, वो देवी है, वो काली भी है, और दूसरी तरफ वो सब मिसबिहेव भी करते हैं। जो कुछ हो रहा है आजकल वो कुछ मुझे बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है। तो इट्स ए क्वेश्चन ऑफ आयरनी एंड इट नीड्स डीप थिंकिंग, हाउ डू वी कैन रेक्टिफाई दिस सिचुएशन। बट योर थॉट्स, योर वर्ड्स वेर वेरी वेरी पावरफुल and you have conveyed the message in a very strong fashion. Your presentation was very good, Krishna. I must congratulate you. और आपकी जो दूसरी कविता थी वो तो बहुत ही शानदार थी, प्यार के ऊपर, और जिस तरीके से आपने उसको प्रेजेंट किया, it was very nice. I really liked it. Thank you.
नीता मैम। We can't hear you, Neeta ma'am. Sorry. Yes, now we can hear.
Yeah, okay. No, as Mr. Shailendra and Mr. Rakesh said, I think this current generation, I think, is much more expressive on this aspect of feminism. And rightly so. I think, when you see the way the generations have been happening and the things have been going on, I think it's one step forward because they're much more progressive, much more stronger and resilient in what they speak and what they express. So beautifully put, Krishna. And I think the last line is so depictive of that. Either a Sita or a Kali. Very beautifully explained. And that is a very powerful statement by itself. And the second one, of course, is very sweet and, beautifully conveyed about love. Very tender, nice words and beautifully explained. And I always have a lot of respect for people who can vocalize and express it on paper. That's the power of the pen. And it's so beautiful when you can put it, because many of us, we do have the thoughts, but we don't know how to express it. And this is so beautifully done. Very well done, Krishna. So beautiful.
Sunita?
Yeah, Krishna, I enjoyed both the poems, completely different and lovely themes selected. Very, very contemporary, the first one. So it makes us so relate to what is happening right now. And yes, expressed in the much required strong way, so beautifully. And it touches upon those very critical, issues, which is more like an awakening. So the poem is more like an awakening, I would say, more than the feminism part of it. I think for me, it felt like that. And the second one, yeah, very warm, so sweet, very breezy and so enjoyable. Romance is a topic which, yes, everybody enjoys. So very, very, very nicely recited. I really enjoyed it.
Thank you, ma'am.
Usha ma'am?
Krishna, here we could get emotions in their two extremities, in two poles, okay? And about the first one, I love the lacerating effect of your words. Definitely, as per the theme, which is, that much, the oppressed feelings of something which has been oppressed, that is what is meant by feminism here. So that oppressed feeling, a writer or can express that in with all its effect and impact through the words. So that had been totally justified here. So that lacerating effect is the highlight of the first poem. And the second one, like how Sunita said, love and romance, it's a feel-good feeling, the word itself. And the oceanic depth of love, the unfathomable depth of love has been depicted beautifully. So in that poem, I like the naivety and genuinity of your words.
Thank you, ma'am.
Meghna?
Loved both the poems, Krishna. First one was very striking. I think everyone has said most of the things that I also felt, but one thing that I really felt was you've used such crude words, such raw words to depict what you really feel. And it's not very easy to do that, because a lot of times we sugarcoat our words or romanticize, some concepts, but you kept it very raw. And I think most of us at some point have felt that, I want to take out my sword and I just want to kill, this person or this situation or this feeling, whatever it is. But we don't say it in words. So I love that about your first poem. It takes a lot of courage to say it like that, in a very raw way.
And also,
the second one,
And also it requires a very safe environment where you can narrate such poetries which contains so strong words. So I feel thankful that I'm here, I'm in this group connected to you people, that I can express what I have written, however raw it is. Or
absolutely, I think very rightly said, Rajesh ji, that it requires a safe environment to, say something like this. Otherwise, you end up feeling that, okay, will I be judged, or will someone say something about this? So definitely a big clap to this space and this environment.
Krishna?
And second poem was no problem.
Sorry,
second
go ahead.
Poem
Go
was
ahead,
very
Meghna.
musical. Yes. Yeah. Second poem was very musical, Krishna. मेरे दिमाग में गाना चल रहा था when you were reciting it. I could imagine two people actually in the situation and feeling what they're feeling. So it was very musical.
Okay. So, Krishna?
So Krishna, basically right now I'm having a very mixed thoughts about your poems. Krishna, the best thing about your poem is about the first poem is there used to be a misconception about the feminism, right? People think that feminism means being female, giving them opportunity to be equal to the men. Like there is a many misconception, and in बहुत सारे female individuals में भी this misconceptions exist. But from the very first part of her poem, like she told कि इस बार कृष्णा जी नहीं आएंगे, like जब द्रौपदी का चीरहरण होना था तो कृष्णा जी नहीं आएंगे उनको बचाने. इस बार तुमको सेल्फ डिपेंडेंट बनना है, तुमको अपना रक्षा खुद करना है. Sir, that this line, sir, gave me goosebumps. कि यहाँ जो फेमिनिज्म का मिसकॉन्सेप्शंस है जो लोग कैरी कर रहे हैं, सर ये लाइन ने वो एंड कृष्णा ये लाइन ने वो मिसकंसेप्शन को बंद कर दिया. लिटरली कि अब तुम्हें सेल्फ डिपेंडेंट बनना है एंड यू डोंट हैव टू बी डिपेंडेंट ऑन एनीवन एल्स. एंड द सेकेंड थिंग कि यू आर नॉट आस्किंग फॉर द अपॉर्चुनिटी टू बीइंग इक्वल. इफ यू आर सीता एंड यू आर डूइंग योर थिंग्स like jitna you are, but due to the pressure of society and anything, if you are getting under the blanket or under the burden, then you can be Kali also. So the best thing about this poem is ki ye jo misconception and the way you narrated this, so it was really great. And about the second poem is there also used to be misconception about love and all, that love means being a partner of someone or just loving each other. But the way she told कि पर्दे के पीछे नहीं रखना है and कागज में बंद करके नहीं रखना है, उड़ने देना, तो the word evolvement, love means evolving. If both the partners are evolving together, this is the best thing about love. So she also narrated it very well. And yeah, thank you for giving us such beautiful thoughts, Krishna. That's it.
Actually, I want to say something about Krishna. When Rajesh sir first mailed me about inviting me as a chief guest, I contacted him that देखना ये mail आया है and I don't know whether I should join it or not, because I'm completely unknown to these people. And we went to your videos, and from the first day he has encouraged me so much. Like if एक संडे होता है जिसमें मेरा मन नहीं करता उतना ज्वाइन करने का, he says कर ले, as badminton is to me, poetry is to you, so please join this. He keeps encouraging, and after the session is over he will immediately call me and ask आज क्या हुआ, and he knows everyone. He knows Rajesh sir, he knows Usha ma'am, and he knows everyone, and he encourages me a lot.
So good. Thank you, Krishna for that.
Thank you, sir.
ये वो थे जो इस शो के लिए अभी तक पर्दे के पीछे थे।
पर्दे के पीछे, बिल्कुल।
And sir, like मैंने भी कभी लिखा नहीं था, and writing is not like in my blood. But sir, after talking to Krishna sir, I also started writing my own feelings, writing about my past and everything, sir. And वो भी बहुत अच्छा रहा, because of her I started writing. So it was also really great. Yes.
Thank you, Krishna, and thank you, Krishna. Beautiful poetries. Keep writing. All the very best. Okay, so now we over to Sunita again. So we are going to have two amazing numbers now. She is going to start with the Zara Zara. Okay, so all the very best, Sunita.
So this is Zara Zara Behekta Hai from the movie Rehna Hai Tere Dil Mein.
Rehna Hai Tere Dil Mein. Beautiful movie. Dia Mirza and what's his name? Madhavan. Oh, beautiful movie. I think I must have watched it. I don't remember how many times. One of my favorite movies. Okay.
जरा जरा बहकता है महकता है आज तो मेरा तन बदन मैं प्यासी हूँ मुझे भर ले अपनी बाहों में जरा जरा बहकता है महकता है आज तो मेरा तन बदन मैं प्यासी हूँ मुझे भर ले अपनी बाहों में हाँ मेरी कसम तुझको सनम दूर कहे आजा ये दूरी कहती है पास मेरे आजा यूं ही बरस बरस काली घटा बरसे हम यार भीग जाए इस चाहत की बारिश में मेरी खोई खोई लटों को सुलझाए तू अपनी उंगलियों से मैं तो हूँ इसी ख्वाहिश में सर्दी की
हम दोनों तन्हा हो, ना कोई भी रहे इस घर में। जरा जरा महकता है आज तो मेरा तन बदन। मैं प्यासी हूँ, मुझे भर ले अपनी बाहों में। आ जाए पढ़ पाए मुझे तेरी सभी बातें, एक बार है दीवाने, झूठा ही सही प्यार तो कर। मैं भूली रही ऐसी मुलाकातें, बेचैन करके मुझको मुझसे यूं ना तेरे नजर। रूठेगा ना मुझसे मेरे साथिया, ये वादा कर तेरे बिना मुश्किल है जीना मरना मेरे दिल में। जरा जरा महकता है आज तो मेरा तन बदन। मैं प्यासी हूँ, मुझे भर ले अपनी बाहों में। मेरी कसम तुझको सनम, दूर कहीं ना जा, ये दूरी कहती है पास मेरे आ जा रे, आ जा रे, आ जा रे, आ जा रे।
क्या बात है, क्या बात है, बहुत बढ़िया, एफर्टलेस।
शानदार शानदार।
Okay, next song, Rajesh ji.
ये मेरा दिल।
You've been talking so much about this song. You should dance.
Yes, everybody should dance. Usha
Yeah, I
ma'am,
think we should all get up.
Usha ma'am, kindly
Yeah,
make
yeah,
arrangements.
yeah.
Usha ma'am, okay, everyone. Rakesh ji also.
ये मेरा दिल प्यार का दीवाना, दीवाना दीवाना प्यार का परवाना। आता है मुझको प्यार में जल जाना, मुश्किल है प्यारे तेरा बच के जाना। ये मेरा दिल प्यार का दीवाना, ये मेरा दिल प्यार का दीवाना। जिसे चाहे जिसे सिखाए प्यार वो यार के जो नाम पे ही मिट जाए दिल वो चाहे जिसे सिखाए प्यार वो यार के जो नाम पे ही मिट जाए जान के बदले में जान लो नजराना ये मेरा दिल प्यार का दीवाना 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 प्यार का परवाना पल पल एक हलचल दिल में एक तूफान है यार है वो मंजिल जिसका मुझे अरमां है पल पल एक हलचल दिल में एक तूफान है यार है वो मंजिल जिसका मुझे अरमां है भूलेगा ना मुझे दिल का ये टकराना ये मेरा दिल प्यार का दीवाना 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 प्यार का परवाना आता है मुझको प्यार में जल जाना मुश्किल है प्यारे तेरा बच के जाना ये मेरा दिल प्यार का दीवाना ये मेरा दिल प्यार का दीवाना
Wow. Excellent. Everybody was dancing except Rakesh ji. But thoroughly
I looked up to
enjoyed.
see Rakesh ji was also dancing.
हल्का सा smile आ रहा था. But otherwise everybody was dancing, especially Meghna and Usha ma'am. Even Sharendra ji was also.
She's still dancing.
Yes, yes.
She was still dancing.
तब आपको फॉलो कर रहे थे सर.
both these songs were amazing. Both these songs were amazing. मतलब इससे पहला वाला भी, and that is also one of my favorite movies in fact. दिया मिर्जा का जो गाना था जरा जरा लगता है. And one thing I have noticed, like when you started the first 2-3 songs, I mean there was you know when you used to sing, stress hota, there used to be some stress on your face, but now you are singing effortlessly. कोई stress नहीं, you are smiling. You are smiling throughout.
Yeah, in fact, I could feel a strain on my throat. It's only because I have cold, the last song, but I think I managed it.
नहीं, but you were smiling throughout all these songs. This is what I am saying. Now when you sing, you smile effortlessly. You are singing effortlessly. Initially you were singing beautifully, but there used to be some stress on your face. I don't know, मतलब when you sing ना, तो थोड़ा stress आता है. But now you sing effortlessly. Every song, amazing, beautiful songs.
Thank you.
Neeta ma'am?
It's so true. Yeah, Sunita, I mean, one, of course, like what Mr. Rajesh said, I was actually watching you when you went on the high pitch, you know.
I could not see. No, but there was no crease on your forehead. You know, it looked so still very smooth. And it's so beautiful to see that, you know, because there was no strain, though you might be feeling the strain in your voice, but it wasn't showing, reflecting on your face. And I love both the numbers. And I think the first one is my favorite. And Mr. Rajesh, I've heard her sing the Tamil version also of the same number.
Oh, yes.
So I don't know, Rita, if you remember the lyrics, I would love it if you can just at least sing the first verse of that.
Yeah,
Vasidara.
sure.
She sings beautifully, the Tamil version too.
Okay.
Do you remember, Sunita?
I'll just put the lyrics just in case I missed out.
Yeah. I mean, just the first line, it's so beautiful.
Yeah, just
I love
4
that
lines. Is it high?
It's okay.
வசீகரா என் நெஞ்சினிக்க உன் பொன்மடியில் தூங்கினால் போதுமதே கணம் என் கண்ணுறங்கா முன் ஜன்மங்கள் ஏக்கங்கள் தீரும் வசீகரா என் நெஞ்சினிக்க உன் பொன்மடியில் தூங்கினால் போதுமதே கணம் என் கண்ணுறங்கா முன் ஜன்மங்கள் ஏக்கங்கள் தீரும் நாம் நேசிப்பதும் சுவாசிப்பதும் முந்தையவால் தானே நீங்குகிறேன் உன் நினைவால் நானே நான்.
Is so beautiful, so beautiful. I mean, both the versions you sing really well. I mean, I've heard you sing the Tamil version.
And the Tamil version is my personal
Yeah,
favorite.
yeah, I remember
Because
you
it's the
said
original.
this. Yeah, so beautiful. Really nice.
Thank you.
Rakesh ji?
राजेश, सबसे पहले तो मैं आपके बारे में कुछ बोलना चाहता हूँ।
क्यों?
नहीं, उसका एक रीजन है।
ओके।
कि आपने जिस तरह से टीजर बनाया था,
अरे वाह,
इनवाइट, वो मतलब बहुत ही शानदार था कि इट गेव ए क्लियर इंडिकेशन कि आज का शो बहुत ही ज्यादा
ब्लास्ट होने वाला है।
ब्लास्ट होने वाला है। बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली आई मिस सम पोर्शन, द फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ द प्रोग्राम, डज नॉट मैटर। तो कांग्रेचुलेशंस फॉर द ग्रेट टीजर व्हिच यू हैव मेड।
थैंक यू राकेश जी,
बहुत बढ़िया बनाया। नाउ लेट्स कम टू द सुनीता's प्लेटफॉर्म। तो सुनीता बहुत टाइम के बाद आई हैं हमारे प्लेटफॉर्म पे, एंड आई वुड से वेलकम बैक। शायद वो नीता मैम का कंपनी का वेट कर रही थी कि नीता मैम जब लेके आएंगी तभी आएंगी, वो ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है, वो ऐसे भी आ सकती हैं।
I didn't know Neeta was joining actually. I didn't know.
Is it? Oh, I see.
Yeah, I know,
It's a
but I told
coincidence.
her I'll join in today.
Even when Neeta joins, there are so many times, there have
Maybe
been
she has
times when
joined.
I wasn't there. Yeah. It's like,
Okay.
नहीं, she has joined without Neeta also. She has joined quite a few times. She has joined.
अभी काफी लंबा अरसा हो गया दोनों
हाँ,
ने
अभी
join
कुछ दिन से
किया
नहीं
था।
आ रही। यस।
हाँ जी। तो आप एक बहुत अच्छी सिंगर हैं, और अच्छे सिंगर की यही पहचान होती है कि बहुत वर्सेटाइल होता है। वो कोई भी गाना दे दो उसको, आप वो उतनी अच्छे तरीके से गाता है। आपने पहला जो गाना गाया, which was a very serious song, a love song, and we're totally involved in that song. You have sung it very well. और सेकंड सॉन्ग का तो क्या कहना है, उसकी तो जितनी तारीफ की जाए उतनी कम है। आई थिंक वी वर ऑल वेटिंग फॉर दैट सॉन्ग एंड इट वाज अ वेरी पेपी नंबर। और वो अमिताभ बच्चन का ब्लॉकबस्टर फिल्म डॉन का गाना है, एंड द वे द सॉन्ग वाज पिक्चराइज्ड, और आशा जी ने जिस मस्ती के साथ वो गाना गाया है, वही मस्ती आज हम लोगों को महसूस हुई है आपकी आवाज में। आपने बहुत मस्ती से सबको बहुत अच्छे से एंटरटेन किया है, गाना बहुत अच्छा गाया है। सो थैंक यू फॉर दैट।
thank you, Rajesh.
Meghna?
And Rajesh ji,
Sorry.
thank you for not sending that teaser to me. Otherwise, it would have been like, you know, वैसे भी you set very high expectations. You and Usha ji.
Yeah.
I have my own tensions always.
Yeah, I didn't want
Had
to.
I seen this teaser?
I think Neeta ma'am has also not seen the teaser. I'll send her. I'll send her after the event. I'll send her after the event. Okay. So, Shailendra ji?
सुनीता जी के दोनों गीत, पहला गीत वहीं से शुरू किया जहां कृष्णा ने अपनी कविता से हमको जिस मुकाम तक पहुंचाया था, उसी प्यार की भोलेपन से, उसी प्यार की ऊंचाइयों से। और वो गीत इतना शानदार था, और उसमें जो एक आइसिंग ऑन द केक होती है ना, वो नीता जी ने की, उसका तमिल वर्जन सुनवा के। बहुत अच्छा लगा। सारी लैंग्वेज की सारी बैरियर्स खत्म हो गई। संगीत और प्यार की शायद यही भाषा होती है दोनों की। और दूसरा गीत तो क्या कहने, उसके बारे में तो सभी झूम रहे थे। राकेश जी ने तारीफ करी दी है। एक छोटी सी मैं उसको जोड़ देता हूँ कि इंडियन क्रिकेट प्लेयर्स, हम लोग क्रिकेट मैं तो काफी देखता हूँ और लोग भी देखते होंगे नो डाउट, तो जो सेकंड इनिंग्स में हमारे विराट कोहली हमेशा सबसे अच्छा खेलते हैं। तो सेकंड जो गाना होता है आपकी सीक्वेंस का, वो पहले से कहीं बेटर होता है, पहला तो होता ही है शानदार। तो दोनों बार ऐसा ही किया आपने।
इनके दोनों इनिंग्स में सेंचुरी है सर। सेंचुरी इन बोथ इनिंग्स, बोथ इनिंग्स।
लेकिन सेकंड में डबल वाली है सर, सेकंड में डबल वाली है।
थैंक यू शैलेंद्र जी, थैंक यू सो मच।
मेघना?
Both your songs are amazing. I don't know, how do you do this, but your voice just seems suited for all the songs that you chose. Though all of them were of a different mode, different genre, it was just perfect fit. So love both of them. And I was dancing with the second song.
Yeah, I saw.
मैं मग्न हो गई थी
form.
already in yours. Yeah. Thank you so much. It was wonderful listening to you.
Thank you.
Usha ma'am?
Sunita, you are right. I used to expect a lot from your song, but always it will be beyond the expectation, far beyond. Okay. It was really.
It helps me work a little hard because I'm a little lazy when it comes to all these things. So then when I actually think that, acha theek hai, I will just manage, then I'll suddenly think of you. I'm like, no, I'll practice once again.
Anyway, that is nice to hear. Then both the songs were really magical, I can say. And especially the second song, I love such songs with high beats and something rhythmical, which make peppy songs. So we all of us were dancing. Even Rakesh Plaha sir also, Sara, he was also dancing. It was very nice. Lovely song.
Actually,
can I say something more, Rajesh?
Yeah, sure, Meghna.
हाँ नहीं, आपको ना एक्चुअली रिकॉर्डिंग वापस यू शुड सी इट, क्योंकि जरा जरा सॉन्ग पे उषा जी का जो बैकग्राउंड है, ऐसे हवा चल रही है, उनके बाल उड़ रहे हैं एंड द सॉन्ग इज इन द बैकग्राउंड, दैट इज मैचिंग सो वेल एंड शी वाज स्लाइटली मूविंग, तो मतलब एकदम ऐसा माहौल क्रिएट हो गया सीधा रिकॉर्डिंग।
ओह माय गॉड, देख लो।
Actually, I was
observing you, Usha ji. सारे गाने पे I've been observing you.
वैसे मेघना, let me tell you, I know about you, Usha ma'am and Sunita. They are all good dancers also. Apart from singing, they are dancers also. I don't know about Neeta ma'am. I don't know if she is a dancer. She's a singer. We know she is a singer. I don't know, but
I've got 2 left feet, so won't even venture into it. No, Sunita's a great dancer. She's a great dancer. I've seen her dance too.
Oh.
Wow.
Krishna, how about you? You also dance? No. Okay. Chalo, I think we have finished dot on time, 8 o'clock. So we were able to finish everything on time. So thank you very much. I think we should give a huge round of applause to both the performers, Sunita Nair and Krishna. Both of them, they have done splendid job. Maza aa gaya aaj. I think we'll hear a few words from maybe Rakesh ji. you missed the first part, but you have seen the second part. So
Yeah, sure. I think the performances today were one of the best in this platform, particularly the strong poetry of Krishna and the songs sung by Sunita. They were one of the best on this platform. I really liked it. It was a very good performance today. Thank you.
Neeta ma'am?
Yeah, I think it was wonderful, and I think we got two very powerful versions. One, the poetry and the singing, and beautiful. I mean, I had such a lovely time being part of this after so long, and it was really worth it. So beautiful.
So can we have your concert also soon? Can we expect? But you were learning music, Neeta ma'am.
That's an expectation. No.
In fact, I requested Sunita and you should have a concert
I'll
together.
join you.
Yeah.
I will only do the mimicry part of it when Sunita is singing. She's so brilliant. No. Or just the background score. I'll do the humming part of it.
No, you can't escape like this.
No. As much as I can, I'm escaping. Thank you, Rajesh. I think you diligently keep sending me the reminders. I mean, so amazing. And I feel so guilty when I'm not able to join. But,
I understand.
it's
I
amazing.
understand. Yeah. Whenever you are comfortable, you are most welcome anytime. It's your own platform, own family. Wese, by the way, Bimal ji is also here. Since the start of the event, he is here, but I think he cannot, I think he is having some issues. He cannot, maybe sound is missing or video is missing, but he is there. So Bimal ji, I hope you have enjoyed yourself. I can see he is there.
Correct. Yeah.
Shailendra ji, final words
अरे
on today's.
बहुत अच्छा, दोनों लोग सुनीता जी और कृष्णा जी ने वाकई में जो समा बांधा आज, पहले तो लग रहा था कि पोइट्री उसकी जो है कैसे तालमेल बैठेगा गानों का और पोइट्री का, लेकिन इतने अच्छे भाव थे क्योंकि पिछली बार वाले उसमें दोनों कॉम्पिटिटर्स ने आपस में शायद बात कर ली थी और उस हिसाब से अपने गाने और कविताओं को पिरोया था, लेकिन आज तो बिना बात किए ही इन दोनों ने ऐसा समा बांधा, बहुत अच्छा लगा। कृष्णा के लिए बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं और सुनीता जी की आवाज का तो क्या कहना, वाकई में शी इज वर्सेटाइल सिंगर, मतलब सारे ही गाने बहुत अच्छे, दोनों गाने बहुत, चारों गाने बहुत बहुत अच्छे गाए, सुरीले, कानों को अच्छे लगने वाले, बहुत अच्छा लगा आज का दिन।
बहुत मजा आया। उषा मैम,
एक बात छोटी सी और कहना चाह रहा था।
प्लीज।
मेघना जी ने वो ऑब्जर्वेशन किया जो उषा जी के लहराते हुए बालों के बारे में, उसका क्रेडिट भी राजेश जी को जाता है। ये सेट डिजाइनर भी बहुत अच्छे हैं, सबके यहाँ पे सेट की व्यवस्था ऐसे करी हुई है इन्होंने बैकग्राउंड में। थैंक यू।
So Usha ma'am is very happy today. She is in Kerala. She is very happy. She is with her sister, so she is enjoying herself.
Where in Kerala, Usha ji? Where in Kerala?
In Thrissur. I'm with my mother and my sister. My mom is also here.
Arey wow, I didn't knew that. I thought you were only with your sister. Mother is also there.
Yeah.
So congratulations. You are meeting after 2 years.
Yeah, I am now my mama's little girl.
So sweet.
Okay.
Enjoy your stay.
Yeah, sure. I was eagerly, after 2 years, since the pandemic started, we couldn't visit her at all. She is 80 years old, my mom. So she's very happy on seeing, especially she loves me a lot among all our 3 sisters.
How sweet.
Okay. Then about today's evening, it was really a wonderful evening because both Sunita and Krishna, they are powerful and, inspiring or natural and genuine in their own ways of, in their own skills and their own areas of talent. So we really enjoyed it, and yeah, still waiting to hear more such songs and poems from both of you.
Sunita, would you like to say a few words?
Yeah, I really enjoyed this evening, and this concept is nice. Of having these concerts, gives more space also for the performers. I'm sure I did miss a few, but this is a very nice concept. So I enjoyed it, and it's not just my performance; it's also being able to enjoy the performance of another person. Probably could be completely different from what you're doing. So I really like that mix. Like for today, it's poetry and songs, and not just songs or not just poetry. So it kind of adds to the flavor of the whole thing. So thanks to you, Rajesh ji, for giving this opportunity to be able to perform.
Thank you, Sunita. Actually, it's more than just the performances. Actually, performance time, if you see 4 songs and 4 poetries, it's not must be say half an hour or 35 or 40 minutes, not more than that. So other time is all interaction. So we are all interacting. So that is more important basically. So performance is there, but interaction is also there. So everybody is involved, even the audience is also involved. So we are also enjoying ourselves, we are expressing ourselves. So
And
that's
such a wonderful audience.
Yeah.
That's something I really want to tell you. Thank you for being such a wonderful audience, because it's sometimes when one is performing, the audience reaction matters a lot.
exactly.
That's what motivates. So thank you so much for that.
And I also feel so happy to see Krishna and Krishna. That's such a good friendship and such a sincere friendship. It is very nice to see that.
Thank you, ma'am.
So we'll hear 2 words from Krishna Lohia. Krishna, then we'll just wind up.
Sir, more than anything, I want to thank this platform. Like, I don't know how to take appreciations from people, and I don't know how to appreciate other people. Everyone here must have noticed I am not so good at commenting at others' performance, and neither I'm so good at responding when someone is appreciating me but this platform has taught me so much. Like, and also there are days when I miss this event out of laziness. I'm being honest. There were times when I could join the event, but I thought, chalo, it's Sunday, I missed out. And I feel, but when I join again, I feel so good that I regret not joining the previous time. So today's, and this concept is great, but more than anything, I like being here, being part of this family. So yes.
So nice. Thank you, Krishna. So I think we'll have applause for both the performers. Outstanding. Fabulous.
Wonderful.
So let's call it a day. So good night, everyone.
Thank
Bye.
you so much, Raj.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good night.
Thank you, everyone.
Good night,
Thank you for
everybody.
See
making
you
our
soon.
evening so memorable. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Bye.
See you
Thank
soon.
you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.